Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on a 2006 Dodge Ram 1500. We're going to be replacing out my tail lights. You'll notice that mine right here, the seal behind where the harness sits is broken. And then of course on my right side here, it's just chipped. So I'm just overall just kind of doing a refresh on some of the things here on this truck. But before we get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to give me that thumbs up to help with the YouTube algorithm. And I'll go over some tools you'll need here in a moment. Some tools you'll need for this DIY, pretty straightforward. You're going to need some type of plastic pry bar tool like this right here, a 1/4-inch ratchet, Torx 20 bit. I'm actually going to use a battery powered ratchet, just make it a little bit quicker, and of course your replacement part. Back these two out. And we'll take our plastic pry bar tool, we're going to go over to the side. Now we're going over to the side, right here. This just kind of pry softly up here. It sits in a little grommet. Should be able to pull that right out. Just going over to the side right here so you can see the little grommets that it sits in, where you're going to have to pry. Disconnect the harness. Just a moment. Have to take a little flathead screwdriver, push that little red tab down. Okay. There you go. Push. Tab. Hopefully that comes right off. It's really on there if you've never removed this or changed the bulbs. Okay. So normally you would actually take off the 1, 2, 3, 4 Phillips heads right here, take this whole unit off, and then transfer it over to your new taillight. Mine actually came with bulbs, which is a nice touch on their part. So I'm just going to utilize those bulbs. So I'm going to go ahead and get everything reassembled. Okay. Now I want to go around and put in those 2 Allen heads. That is pretty much how you're going to do it. I'm good to go. I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this video. If you like the content, make sure you give me that thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one. Leave your questions and comments below.